Hey guys, this is Jesper from YACSS, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply the driving directions in your cloud sites, cloud stacks. So let's get started. I will first create a project real fast. So for the sake of this video, I will try to boost my own GPP for the term SEO agency. So let me just find myself here. Yes, that's my GBP, and my my main keyword will be SEO agency, and I will ask ChatGPT, please give me a list, an unnumbered list of 20 keywords related to SEO agency in the city of Aalborg. Yeah, and then you need to you need to also no bullet points. So you need to be really specific, because then once you've done that, you can just do like this, copy, and paste in here. So business description. My name is Jesper Nissen and I do SEO. So this field's business description supports spin text, because we're using this text to be inserted across the various documents that we create. So this field supports spin text, and I encourage that you actually produce some business description text in spin text, because you are going to use it. So now I will just simply let me just create 100 driving directions in the radius of 5 kilometers and click create. So now that was fast. So now that the project has been created, let me export it to Google Drive. Let me select my client to be myself, and I attached a Gmail called Jonathan Ruferman to YACSS, and so now it's uploading. So what it's doing now, it's uploading the Google Sheets, the Google Doc, and Google Slides, and it's also generating the KML file. I'm not going to show you in this video how to use the KML file. I'm going to show you that in the next video. So let me just click pause, and now it's done. So I can now download the links as text. So I can open now here and see. And let's go to folder UL, copy. Let's try to open that. I should mention that I am actually logged into Jonathan Ruferman Gmail. It's not necessary to log into the Gmail that you attach to YACSS, but it does make some things easier, because if I want to click on my drive and SEO agency, that's the one that I just uploaded. And because now I'm logged in, I can now right-click and I can create a Google My Maps and Google Sites. So that's just a thing to keep in mind. So the way that I use this system is I always sign out of all my Gmails when I start a local SEO project, and then I log into the Gmail that I want to use. So that's just a thing to keep in mind. Anyway, now it's uploaded and everything is generated for me. What I can do now is I can go to, let's say I want to generate a single page. So I click on Page Builder, and I click on Simple. I click on Choose, and I click on Clear All Sections, because what I want to do now is remember, I'm trying to rank for SEO agency in Aalborg. So what I want to do now is I want to add an AI widget. And let me just use this one. Let me just go to Wikipedia. And let me go to the English Wikipedia as SEO agency. Is there a page called SEO agency? Search engine optimization. So there is actually this page called SEO optimization, search engine optimization. Let me copy this guy here and go over to Wikipedia, check, and my input keyword will be this. Let's see. Exploring the impact of local SEO. I think I'm going to local SEO strategies for businesses in Aalborg. So article, I want 3 headers. No, I want 5. I want, you know what? Let me actually do something else, because I want to use Aalborg instead. I want to use Aalborg generate. Because now I can, because I, here. Yeah. Okay, so search engine optimization, let me just reinsert that up here. Engine optimization, generate, and found. Okay, sorry for that, guys. So what I'm doing now is I'm using the keyword search engine optimization as background information when I'm writing this article. And I'm using the information from Aalborg. And what I'm doing now is I'm creating a small Wikipedia information about the city. And I will use Unsplash information, Unsplash keywords, this search engine optimization. That's my Unsplash search keywords. I will, what will I do? I will use historical facts and definition and FAQ, not just 3 questions. Okay, so add. So what it's doing now, if you didn't try this before, what it's doing now is building out a complete article about SEO agency, or the keyword that you saw that what the keyword that I made, or the title. So it's building out a complete AI article. It's using the Wikipedia information from search engine optimization as background information, and it is including information about the city of Aalborg. So let's see, it takes between 10 to 30 seconds. All right, so now it's done. Let me click preview. So yeah, I'm not really sure I like this background image that it found. But anyway, so this is actually a complete article, complete with Wikipedia information from Aalborg. So it's quite long. So let me just go up again. So let me go into YACSS and let me click on this button and let me simply delete this button. So what is needed is that the purpose of this article is not to provide link juice to my website. If I wanted link juice to my website, I could find a keyword like this, and click link here, jespernissenseo.com. Okay. So now I'm pointing this link to the home page. So yeah, so let's just do that. So what I will do is I will click on this plus button here, and I will click on driving directions. The reason I'm clicking on driving directions is now I have direct access to the database of YACSS, and also direct access to the database, also the Google Drive, where I uploaded these files here. So you can see I uploaded this Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Doc, and then so this is a slide, and this is the sheet, and this is the doc. Let me go back to YACSS. So what I need to do is I need to click on the local SEO module here. I need to click on the projects, scroll down, and this is the last in line here. And then I need to determine how many embeds and links I want to insert. So remember that I created 100 driving directions. So let me just say 100. And that means I also created 100 embeds, but I do know from experience that if I paste 100 embeds, iframes of my GBP profile, it will load very slowly. So, but I will also embed the sheet, the slide, and the doc, and click insert. And you now see that it actually found the iframe for the Google Slides, so the Google Sheets and the Google Slides and the Google Doc, and also all of the embeds and all of the links. And we click update and click save. Good. So when I click preview here, so I can see that when I click preview here, I can see that the SEO optimization now links to my website, jespernissenseo.com. And I've now inserted the Google Sheets, the Google Docs, the Google Slides, the iframes, or the embeds, and all of the driving directions as links. So, and this is a complete SEO article. So this is very nice. What I can do now is I can now upload, and I can upload to Amazon. And let me select my account. So Denmark Amazon. Let me create a new bucket. SEO agency Aalborg. Create. I hope I have space to do that. I'm not sure. Okay, I have. And I can now click upload. Good. So what will happen now is that this page will now be uploaded to my Amazon bucket, and it will now be live. So I can copy this link here and I can go and check it. Good. And it's now live. So and you can see I can click on this guy here, and then I'm taken to my website. So you can see that this is the Google Sheets, this is the Google Doc, and this is the Google Slides, and these are all the embeds and all of the links to the driving directions. So this is of course, and then the SEO article down here. So this is of course not a super duper pretty way to distribute your driving directions, but this is just one way to do it. And it's very fast. So now I spent 5 to 10 minutes, talking to you while doing it. But in essence, it only takes 1 minute to create a local SEO project and 1 minute to actually, or 2 minutes to build the article. So it takes, let's say, 5 minutes to do this process. So what I can do now is I can also go to Stack Builder. I'm going to show you now how to create a cloud stack. So Jesper, that's me. And when I select my client to be Jesper, and I know that I added all of the clouds to my account, I can now actually click on all of these guys down here. So if you are trying to generate a cloud stack and some of these buttons are grayed out when you have clicked select buckets manually, that means that for example, if Wasabi, you can't click on this, it just simply means that you didn't connect Wasabi to YACSS in this client. So anyway, let me name it Jesper Nissen SEO Agency in Aalborg. SEO Agency in Aalborg. That's my keywords. Target URL. Yeah, you know what? Let me actually just simply select my homepage. Whoops. Select my homepage to be the target URL. Good. And let me now click here. SEO Denmark. Good. SEO Agency Aalborg. Let's select this guy, that guy here, close. Good. Yep. So now I have Amazon, and let me select Wasabi. Wasabi. SEO Agency Aalborg. I think that for the sake of the speed of this video, I'm not going to select all 20. How many we have. I'm going to select 3: Backblaze, Wasabi, and Amazon. So Jesper, Backblaze, SEO Agency Aalborg, add, good, and close. Good. So now I've selected these 3 guys here. So 3 in tier 1, 3 in tier 2, and 3 in tier 3. So now I'm going to generate a 39-page cloud stack. And when you click on content generation, the default content mode is fully automated. I think I'm just going to use, let's see here. I think I'm going to use fully automated. I'm going to do that. Yes. So because it's easiest for me. So let me just see. So since I'm using this video to demonstrate for you how to actually apply the driving directions, I'm going to click on the step called local. I'm going to show on page, add new local, and local SEO module. Because if I click on local SEO module here, I will be able to select my projects. So Jespernissenseo agency, 10 embeds, 10 links. When I'm selecting this, it will select randomly 10 embeds and 10 links to place on each page. So embed, 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 and insert directions and save. So what I will do now is I will also add Wikipedia search engine optimization, generate syntax. So what it's doing now is that it's connecting to Wikipedia and looking for this keyword, and then it's generating syntax, as you can see here. Search engine optimization is the procedure, blah 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 blah. Save. Because then we're going to have some unique text about search engine optimization on each page. It is in syntax. So yeah, I think I'm just going to click generate now, because the purpose of this video is not to demonstrate all of these features down here. I just think that I will interlink to all pages. I will click this guy here, and I will click meta title, yes. Include navigation, no. Canonical, no. Schema, no, no, no. And image SEO, auto generate, manual, top banner, yes. Search engine optimization. Dude. This guy here. This guy here. This guy. This guy, and this guy. Yeah. All right. So now I selected these 5 images and generates. You need to stay on screen. Yes. Okay. So now it's checking my cloud connectivity, and it's let's see if it comes up with any errors. And if not, then I can just sit back and wait a minute or two until YACSS is done generating my cloud stack. Yep, so it worked. So now it's generating, and I know from experience that it takes between 30 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on how many users are using YACSS, of course. So I'll just click pause, and let's get back when it's done. Okay, so now it's done. Jespernissenseo agency at Aalborg, and 39 pages. Let's just see here. PDF. Let's take one of these guys here. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, so it's scrolling down. Let's just see here. So you can see that it now about search engine optimization. So this is the syntax from Wikipedia, and so this is the article that YACSS produced, and this is the link. So that's one of the sub pages that is linking, because it is a cloud stack. So we now generated 39 pages that are interlinked. So so you can see here, this is on Backblaze, and this is on Amazon. So you can see, so but that is the essence of a cloud stack. So you can see here that we have 10 links. Dude, when I click on this link, I'm taken to a driving direction, and you can see here 10 random embeds. We have the slides, the doc, and the sheets. So this is a very flexible way to actually use this stack builder on the local SEO project, because once again, let me just show you the process. I'm not going to show you how to generate the diagram once more. You can just rewind and rewatch, but once again, click on local and select the local SEO module. And the good thing about this is that you can actually determine if you want to or not embed these Google properties. I of course encourage you to do it, because that's why I built it, because it's so easy and it's nice. I like it. Let's see if it helps with getting these cloud pages to actually stay in the index. I don't know. But you have the flexibility of, making one cloud stack with the sheets, making one cloud stack with the slides, making one cloud stack with the doc, and you also say 0 and 0, and if you only want the sheets, you just say 0 embeds, 0 links, and of course you need to select the project first, right? But 0 embeds, 0 links, and if you mark this guy, then you will only embed the Google Sheet. So it's completely flexible for you, and you can test what variations give the best results. So I think that concludes the video on how to actually insert the driving directions in the cloud stacks and the cloud pages. So when it comes to the mass page builder, it's the same thing. You click on local, click on so this is just if you want to hide all of this information in an accordion, or if you want to show it on page. But you click on local, add new local, and it's the same. And with the AI websites and AI websites, local is you click on local, click on add new local, and it's the same. So it works the same way in all of the builders that we have in YACSS: the page builder stack, AI websites, and the mass page builder. So this was a little bit of a long video, and that concludes this video on how to insert driving directions into cloud pages. Thank you.